Want to turn blurry or low-resolution images into stunning 4K quality? AI image upscalers make it possible in just a few clicks. Today, I'll show you Crun AI's AI Image Upscaler, an easy online tool that uses AI to enhance image quality, sharpen details, and upscale photos without requiring any editing experience. Let's see how you can transform your images in seconds. First, open Crun AI's AI Image Upscaler. As you can see, the interface is simple and beginner-friendly. On the left is the Upload panel, and on the right you'll see the enhanced result after processing. Start by uploading your image. You can enhance AI-generated images, old photos, product photos, portraits, anime artwork, or illustrations. Next, if needed, enter a prompt to guide the enhancement. You can also add a negative prompt to avoid unwanted artifacts and improve the final output. Now let's look at the available settings. Scale factor controls how much the image is enlarged. Increase it when you need a higher resolution image, including 4K output. Dynamic adjusts how strongly the AI enhances textures and fine details. Creativity determines how much new detail the AI can generate. Lower values preserve the original image, while higher values add more AI-generated enhancements. Resemblance controls how closely the enhanced image matches the original. Higher resemblance keeps the original appearance, while lower values allow more AI refinement. Sharpen improves edge clarity and makes fine details stand out. Quality level lets you balance image quality and processing intensity for the best results. If your image contains people, you can also enable hand fix to improve the appearance of hands when necessary. Finally, choose your preferred output format, including PNG, JPG, or WEBP. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within seconds, the AI produces a much sharper and more detailed version of your image. In this example, notice how the bird's feathers, colors, and surrounding leaves become significantly clearer while maintaining a natural look. Another great advantage is the cost. Each image enhancement costs only 4 credits, about 0.0179 per image, making it an affordable solution for creators, designers, marketers, and businesses that need high-quality visuals at scale. Whether you're restoring old photos, enhancing AI-generated artwork, preparing product images for e-commerce, or creating content for social media, Crun AI makes professional quality image enhancement fast and effortless. If you want to turn low-resolution images into crisp, high-quality 4K visuals, give Crun AI's AI Image Upscaler a try. Visit Crun AI to explore more powerful AI tools for image and video creation, editing, and enhancement. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which AI tool you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.